How to fix Xiaomi fingerprint sensor not working. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. Now, first of all, make sure that you launch the settings application on your device. As you launch the settings application, tap on About Phone option. Here, select on the updates available. Just check if you have any updates available for your device. And after checking for update, if it says no updates available, so we can just move forward. And as you do that, tap on the storage and make sure you have the enough storage for your device. Next, what you can simply do is scroll down and tap on passwords and security. Here, as you can see, there's no option of fingerprint sensor. So what we're going to do is we're going to go back and then make a long press on power button and then tap on reboot and restart our device, and this might help us fix our issue. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.